back to my channel. This is Bai once again. For today's vlog, we are going to do an unboxing again. Yes, this is my second 11/11 boodle, and we are going to unbox it right now. So let's start. I cannot do this with my bare hands, so. Hi again. Hi there, guys. Again, welcome to my room. Change of location because started baligsiking. Totoo. Wow, it's so safe. It's like double stereo. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. This is my first baby. Can you feel the rush of emotions I'm feeling right now? Because I am. It's so safe. It's so safe. Okay, so this is the front. It's so shiny. So shiny. It's in Chinese, which I do not understand, but ito yung steaming wand niya. Dito ka magsa-steam ng milk para mag-undress. And then you close it. You know, righty-tighty, lefty. Then this is where you put the water. Now let's go to the accessories. It's so good. The portafilter. So this is called a portafilter. You put the ground coffee here. It's a measuring scoop. And the one you use to tamp your coffee ground. I love it. It's amazing. I guess that ends the unboxing of I guess that ends the unboxing of this beautiful espresso machine. I hope it works. It's so pretty. It's so aesthetic. I'm so excited to use this coffee maker and show it to you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!